Hello friends, welcome to Dezinlife. Friends, today we'll talk about high attrition in pharma sales and marketing. Indian pharma industry, in particular sales and marketing teams, they suffer as good as 40% attrition. Some companies it is more than 40%, some companies it is less than 40%. Where more than 40%, whether 50%, 60%, this means every 2 months we are changing the entire field force or entire marketing staff. This cost companies huge by mean of performance in the recruitment cost, as well as you can say kind of cover up or gap period. In addition, this creates a huge negativity in the market also. When an employee goes, he start planning almost 4 to 6 months before going. When somebody new person come, he take 4 to 6 months to really come to that situation where he start contributing more effectively, more actively, and there can be gap of 2 to 3 months for the recruitment also. So put together all the 3 period, it takes almost 12 to 15 month kind of time. So this much time it at our territory, area, region or product management, whatever you call you, it goes behind. There are 4 reasons broadly which are can say factors or reason for this kind of huge attrition in pharma industry. And most of the reasons exist because as an industry, we don't accept that or we don't want to correct it. So that you have to look at individually whether we don't accept it or whether we accept, we don't want to correct. Although if you want to correct, first you have to accept. But many cases we do accept but we don't want to correct. Because we all feel that somebody else has to correct, not me. So I'll be talking about these 4 reasons. The first reason lies more predictable something, which is the recruitment. And the recruitment also, there are 2 parts of recruitment. The one part of recruitment is that where we show the wrong picture to the prospective candidate. We give the wrong commitment about earning, about his career growth, about his span of control, about his work culture. Because we tend to show the very good picture to the people outside. And once the candidate join the company, find inside the situation not something same, and he start feeling disappointed, and from their day itself it become a kind of way out living in the company. The second part of the recruitment is that when we end up selecting wrong person means it's not a person is bad, rather nobody is bad. When person is his resume maybe you looking attractive, we want to hire person from X company or Y company, MNC company or blah blah, all those things. But whether that person is right fit for our company, what job we are expecting from that person, or what kind of culture we have, what kind of work requirement we have, are we selecting the right person because of that? Person may be good. So most of the time we'll end up selecting wrong person based on his resume, his biodata or his background, not based on my requirement here. So recruitment form the first major reason why so much of attrition. The second reason is become our target system. We either live in the false world or we kind of take so much of aspirational target. We know that industry is going by say 9-10%. Maybe because of Corona, I'm not talking of Corona period per se, it is less, but otherwise 9 to 10% industry grows. And most of the companies that take the target growth whether 20%, 30%, 40%, there is no logic. People take higher growth and there too me too approach overall in the sales strategy or the marketing strategies, and then putting pressure on the people. And these companies that does not work on any kind of differential on the product or you can say strategy, me too strategy, me too approach, but our growth should be 3 to 4 times more than the market. How this can happen? Which means we are putting so much of pressure on the people, whether it's a sales team or marketing team, that's lead to attrition only. And it's as a company we create that. The third reason lies in when many of the company there is a pleasing boss approach kind of thing exists. Say first line manager is busy in the pleasing the regional manager is pleasing the general manager pleasing divisional head, business head, and so on. Same way marketing side also, product manager is pleasing marketing manager, market manager work on the pleasing his divisional head, and goes up to promoter. So people are the more busy in the pleasing their boss rather than working on improving business. And when this culture exists, good people come and they are not able to adjust to that, because they also has to join this forum of the pleasing other people, and that become the major job of the or major function which is happening in the company, not the real work on the business. And then later on we start taking decision on the business basis, whether it's an increment, whether it's an incentive or any damn thing. So another the problem of the industry which we don't want to correct, and many companies this does exist. There is another problem, that is fourth reason I'm going to tell is, again it's existing in many companies. Lot of unproductive meetings, morning to evening meetings, discussion, action plan, long working hours, whether you work from home, whether you work from office, whether it's Saturday, Sunday, all the time, lot of data, lot of meetings, lot of discussion, lot of action plan, and hardly any action. So a lot of unproductive things happen. So when these unproductive things this take toll on the life of the people, and you are not able to give the good life to the people, which means their business is not increasing, they're working hard, they're spending a lot of time in the unproductive discussion or meeting, and over a period of time this younger generation, they recognize very fast that this is not going to produce. That leads to frustration, and that leads to attrition. So friends, these are four major reasons, and all the four reasons which I'm talking, it's from the company side, from the industry side. I'm not talking region from the people side. So we need to accept our issues, and once we accept, then only we can think about correcting. If it does not accept, we are not going to correct also. And this is a huge problem of the industry. If you want to attract a good talent, and you want to retain the good talent, and if you want to reduce our overall attrition, I think we need to work on these four fronts, and this can make you visible changes, friends. So I'm just leaving this food for thought for all of you. Just think over all that, and thank you very much for watching us today. Thank you, friend.